Step 1. Straighten front wheel and the steering column before folding. Step 2. Press and hold the power button to turn up the device. Step 3. Press and hold the battery power button to turn up the power. Step 4. Engage the locking latch, then pull the quick release mechanism upward. Slide the battery upward to remove. If the battery is stuck, firmly tap diagonally upward along the support to release. Step 5. Pull the locking pin ring to set the pedal upright. Aero Demo 1. Folding without pedal adjustment may cause damage. Pedals may collide without adjustment, causing damage. Aero Demo 2. Folding without pedal adjustment will damage the frame. Step 6. Remove the seat plate vertically. Step 7. Take out the folding floorboard. Step 8. Rotate both limit knobs to release the support rolls. Step 9. Lift the two loops at the bottom to create a slide gather and fold it diagonally. Step 10. Lock the support rolls into the frame. Step 11. Gently lay the wagon backward. Step 12. Press to fold it completely and secure frame with magnetic buckle. Confirm front wheel limit tabs are fully engaged. Step 13. Pull the handlebars out and rotate down. Pull telescopic pin and the lower roll down.